What's up, guys? We're heading out to Nick Gennusa's pit bike race right now. We just picked up some Chick-fil-A and we're getting on the road.
Up is open over here at the stage.
Pull up in the door for a bat. You gonna win, bro?
Yeah. Take everyone out.
Class you racing.
A plus.
Who do you think's gonna win?
Nick Gennusa's got this.
Who do you think's gonna win?
Nick.
Oh, the new quad's working. Joel Hunter in the lead.
I just wanted to start by saying Jeremy didn't thank me for his whole shot award. I pushed him to get that whole shot, and I expect 25 bucks. But, you know, another great year here at the Gennusa event. I got a new 90 this year finally. Put up more of a fight than last year. You know, 5 laps in, I think the bike started to get tired. It wasn't me at all. But yeah, I checked my air pressure. It was off. So we made a couple mistakes, and I couldn't capitalize on them. But you know, I'm happy with second. Nick rips. You see his bumper. He couldn't get around me. He had to run into me. That's typical here with him. You always got to have eyes in the back of my head. But you know, it's always a fun event. Thank you guys for putting it on, and I'll be back next year to hopefully take the turkey and that $50 from Jeremy.
So mine's a lot quieter than that, but still got the win. Other than that, no, Joel was really tough to beat this year, in all honesty. I think last year was kind of just us playing back and forth, and that back road start really made things interesting.
I'm sure everybody in the quad class and the dirt bike class, if I don't crash again. Not riding today because I fell, broke my collarbone and my wrist.
How'd you do it?
Motocross.
Motocross? Yeah, that's it.
I'll film the vlog for you.
Film the vlog.
And my Instagram will be right there. And
Oh, well, shout it out. Shout it out.
my Instagram.